Okay, we're over here at SWRC and we got a special treat for everybody. We got a 650, F650 4x4 Ford truck. And everybody knows this guy, my buddy James. And what the situation is he is going to go four-wheeling. Turn your lights back on. Turn all your lights, there you go. He's gonna actually go four-wheeling over here at SWRC. So if we look right there, this is the F650. It's a bad boy truck. Whoa, whoa, hold it. It's a bad boy truck right here. This is called the Big Bad Boy 4x4 Ford truck. We got a Cat diesel front end, we got a Cat diesel engine, we got maximum security fucking wheels and tires going, we got lights, okay? Can't go without the lights, bud. And what James is gonna do, okay, what's up, dude?
What's up, Pete?
Okay, you're gonna do some 4x4. Have you ever 4x4 in this thing?
It's gonna be the first time I 4x4, Pete.
You're joking me.
No, we're gonna do it.
Where'd you go 4x4?
In California.
Okay, we're gonna go 4x4. Now you're gonna go up on the 4x4 SWRC hill. All right, well, let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's get it done.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, he claims that this thing's gonna climb the hill over here. Son of a bitch. You almost hit me, dude. You almost hit me, Garrett. Son of a bitch. Okay, so he's gonna go four-wheeling up the hill right over here, and we're gonna watch him do that with this big, giant Ford truck. Okay, you think he can do it or not?
Unless he gets high centered, he should be able to.
Let's go ahead and see. Hey! Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, over here, Garrett, over here. Okay, here he goes. I don't think he's ever four-wheeled in this thing. What do you think? You think he's, hey, back it down there, go straight up. Oh, will he high center like that?
He might, I don't know.
Okay, I think he's a little scared, dude. He's gonna hit the, what the fuck? He's going up the, okay, hold on, okay. I thought he was gonna go up there where it's even steeper. Okay, he's gonna drive over my water line. Okay. I don't want him to wreck that truck, dude. That's a $350,000 truck, Garrett.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Over here, dude. You gotta talk right here. Come over here by me.
Okay.
Okay, here he goes, bud. Let's see. Does he even have it in four-wheel? Here he goes. Okay, he's gonna go four-wheeling. Okay. And I'm just gonna show everybody how steep this is. You can see that's straight up and down. Straight up and down. Come on, you can do it. Okay, easy. There he goes. He's climbing up there. Oh shit. Son of a bitch made it. He made it. Okay. Hell no, dude. He almost bottomed out. He almost bottomed out,
Yeah.
Garrett.
I think if he comes down that, he will.
God, did you see that? He went up that thing like it was nothing, dude.
Yep.
Nothing. Nothing. Wow. Okay, so that's 4x4 action right here, SWRC. Just a little taste of what might happen in Moab. Okay. Are you coming back Sunday?
Yeah, we'll be back Sunday.
Okay, you bringing the trailer with you?
We'll bring the trailer.
The quad runners.
Yeah, we'll bring the quad runners.
You gonna bring them?
I bring them.
Don't forget.
Hey, did that look easy?
That was easy.
It was, tell you, it's gotta be higher than that.
I'll see you later. Sunday. Sunday. Son of a bitch. All right, peace out, bro. This lady's freaking out on us. She's freaking out, Garrett. Look at her. She's thinking it's a truck war going on. What's going on here? Okay. You scared the shit out of that lady, James. Okay, I thought he was leaving.
I thought he was too.
Okay, I thought you were leaving, dude.
I gotta turn the transfer off.
Oh, you gotta do that manually.
You get a good picture?
Is that a manual thing?
Yeah, look right here, look. Just turned him off.
Oh, okay, so it's a, wow. Oh, there you go. All right, all right. Well, what do you think of that truck now?
I,
The horn's even louder than the other
yeah.
guy.
Yep.
All right, 4x4 action right here, SWRNC with the big giant Ford. Even the horn's louder than everybody else. What do you think of that truck, bud? Would you drive that, Garrett?
Again, if somebody gave me the keys, I definitely would.
See that guy in that truck? He got pissed at him.
Yep.
He got pissed because James' truck's bigger than his. What, you son of a bitch? Look at him, he's gonna cause a wreck. He's gonna cause a wreck. Okay. All right. $350,000, dude.
Yeah.
All we need to do is, you know, dig deep in our pockets so we can go buy one and we'll share it.
Yeah.
I'll keep it one weekend, you can have the next. What do you think?
We can do that. I'd be okay with that.
We'll go 50-50 on it, yeah. All right, there he goes, bud. What do you think of that truck, dude?
It's nice.
All right, grab your dog. Okay, there you go. A little bit of four-wheel driving. Cecil McGee, I don't know where he's at. I'm sure he's gonna miss the situation, but that's life. And if you ain't here, then you ain't gonna get it. Take it easy, we'll see you later. My friend Pete, your friend Pete over here at SWRC, clowning around and having fun and watching the four-wheel drives go by. Getting ready for Moab, Utah.